What's up, guys? It is Bree the Blind here, and
Awesome,
I'm
no one comes to
going to be recording some Hearthstone for you today. I think we'll do some ranked mode. And I think we'll go ahead and just play as Illidan and see how we do. We could go either way. We could win, we could lose, but we'll just try that. See how we get on with it. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. If you like stuff like this, feel free to like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I do really appreciate it. Thanks to those of you that have subscribed and all of that stuff. Thanks for clicking on my videos. And yeah.
Choose one of three. Choose 15 of the 13. 5 in 13.
Illidan versus Illidan.
This ends now! You dare speak to me?
This might be a session, but we'll try again if that happens.
Waiting for a minute. Look at another. You raising up. And match another 4. 3 mother. Crimson 4, 1 mother. Summon.
They will never catch me.
Job's done.
Turn it into turn. You open it to 1 card. You open it
They
to
will
1
never
card.
catch me.
Turn it into turn. You have 2 mother. Use Strangle Tiger. And match another 4. Roll it strike 4. 3 mother. Raising it 4. 3 mother. Strangle Tiger 4. 5 mother. Raising it roll it match your mother. Hero power even close. Minions Crimson 4 1. Choose a card. Open Minions Crimson 4 1. Open 0. Look Crimson 4 1. Open 0. Open 0 to 1 damage. Hero power even close. You use hero hero take 1 attack. Choose a target. Open Minions Crimson 4 1.
Vengeance is mine!
Your hero attack. Open 0. You open 0 to 1 damage.
Job's done.
Turn it into your hero 1 attack. Open turn. You open it to 1 card. You open it negative strike. Hero 2 attack. Turn. They attack. You open 0 to attack. You open 0 attack. Minions 4 1. You open 0 to 1 damage. You open 0 to 1 damage. You open 0 to 1 damage. You open 0 attack. Hero. You open 2 damage. You open Minions 4 attack. You open 0 to 1 damage. Turn it into 0 to attack. You turn. Match your mother 1 5. Summon. Summon.
I will have vengeance! Draws close.
You have no land place. Turn it into open turn. You open it to 1 card.
How is it even possible?
You open it to 19. Life steal. You damage your minion outcast. It costs 1. You open 0 damage. You open 0 becomes 0. You match your mother 5. You open it to 0 to 1 damage. Turn it into 4 mother. Use Strangle Tiger. And roll it strike 1 5. Play card. You play roll it strike. 3 and WD something in the battlefield. Hero power even close. You use even close. Hero take 1 attack. Minions in WD 1 of 3. Choose a target. Open Minions Crimson 4 1 1. Open Minions Crimson 4 1 1. Your first WD attack. Your open Crimson 4 1 1. Your hero. Choose a target. Open 0. Your hero attack. Open 0. You open 0 to 1 damage. You have no land place. Turn it into your hero 1 attack. Open turn. You open it to 1 card. You open it to 4. Take 1 mother. Crystal enemy. You open it to take 1 mother. You open it to use even close. Hero power 1 attack is turn. You open 0 take 1 attack. You open 0 attack. Hero. Your hero to 1 damage. You open some play card. 4 attack. Hero attack is turn. Deal 2 damage. You open 0 to 1 attack. You have 5 mother. Choose 5 over. And raise me 1 5. Summon.
Handle it!
You summon Lady and kill strike 4. Play card.
You
play this
are not
You magic. Your hero take 2 attack. Your
prepared.
hero. Choose a target. Open Minions. Play shot 1 open 0. Your hero attack. Open 0. You open 0 to 2 damage.
Job's done.
Turn it into your hero 2 attack. Open turn. You open it to 1 card. You open it some attack. You 2 6 attack. 4 damage to hero. You open it play shot attack. Your hero 4 damage. Turn it into your turn. You match 6 mother. 2 Crimson 6 1. And Strangle Tiger 1 5. Summon life. You summon Strangle Tiger. Take 1 attack. And consume magic 3 4. Choose a target. Open Minions. Play shot 1 2. You play consume magic. You open play shot 5. Minions. Maybe 1 2. Choose a target.
Very hard blunder.
Open
Each scar, a foe vanquished. Strike now!
Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose this one. It's fine
And
though.
Another taunts me. Me. You are not prepared.
Yeah, we have to kill the one with the
Strike now! You are not prepared.
They will never catch me.
Handle it!
Dang.
You are not prepared. Get in there, fight, maggot!
No, shucks.
Get in there, fight, maggot! A blunder.
Job's done.
You are not prepared. You are not prepared. You are not prepared.
Unfortunately, that's the only way I could play that one. I lost. But it is okay. It's hard, with that one. I just
Quest focus, so snake and ankle option, current focus is 2 out of 10. Play. Choose deck 1 of 3. Choose deck, number 13.
most of the
Choose deck 1 of
time,
3.
so when
Main menu, play deck 1 spell.
when you're constantly having to defend and you just don't have good cards, that's what happens. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it, and
Off studio 30.2.3 profile, untitled. Off studio 30.2.3 profile, untitled.
as I said, feel free to like and
Software
comment
damage,
and
check.
subscribe and all of that stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Budget. So recording check.